everyone. Welcome to the maths class. Earlier, we have started with the chapter Solving Simple Problems Based on Quadratic Equations. In this chapter, objectives are steps to solve word problems based on quadratic equations, word problems based on numbers, word problems on work, word problems on geometrical figures, word problems on speed, distance and time, and word problems on cost and money. So today we are going to discuss word problems on speed, distance and time, and on cost or money. First of all, we are going to discuss how to find speed, distance and time. So, as we already know, distance is speed into time. Then speed formula is distance upon time, and time is distance upon speed. And units of distance are kilometer and in the form of meter, speed in kilometer per hour and meter per second, and time in the form of hours, seconds and minutes. Now we will do one example related to this topic. So example is, by increasing the speed of a car by 10 km per hour, the time of journey for a distance of 72 km is reduced by 36 minutes. So find the original speed of the car. So in this question given to us, speed is increased by 10 km per hour. It means let original speed of the car is x km per hour, and after increasing by 10 km per hour, speed is x plus 10 km per hour, and distance is 72 km. So distance is same in both the cases. So distance 1 is also 72 km and distance D2 is also 72 km. So time formula is distance upon speed. So in case first, distance is 72 km and speed is x km per hour. And in case second, distance is 72 and speed is x plus 10. So according to the statement, 72 upon x is the t1 and 72 upon x plus 10, that is time 2. So from here, as we know, more the speed, lesser the time, and less the speed, more the time. That time will take more. So in case second, time is less as compared to the time in case 1. In this case, time taken is less. So from here, according to the statement, T1 minus T2 equals to 36 upon 60. So according to the statement, time is reduced by 36 minutes given. But in this question, speed is in kilometer per hour and distance in kilometer. It means time is also in hours only. So convert 36 minutes into hours first. Then 72 upon x minus 72 upon x plus 10 equals to 36 upon 60. Then after taking LCM, 72 into x plus 10 minus 72x upon x into x plus 10 equals to 36 upon 60. Then from here, arrow method is there. So 72x plus 720 minus 72x upon x square plus 10x equals to 36 upon 60. Now after cutting in the table of 6, 6 and 10 will come. Then after in the table of 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now from here, 72x and 72x, after cutting only 720 is left. Then upon x square plus 10x equals to 3 upon 5. In the next step, 720 into 5 equals to 3 into x square plus 10x. Now from here arrow method is there. Then 3600 equals to 3x square plus 30x. Now collect all the terms. 3x square plus 30x minus 3600 equals to 0. Now from here all will come in the table of 3. So take out 3 common from here and left out equation is x square plus 10x minus 1200 equals to 0. Now this is in the form of quadratic equation. Now you can solve by using formula also or by factorization method. So according to the factorization method, value of sum is plus 10 and product is 1 into minus 1200, that is minus 1200. So factors are plus 40 and minus 30. Now after splitting the term, x square plus 40x minus 30x minus 1200 equals to 0. Then after taking common x from here, x into x plus 40 minus 30 from here, x plus 40 equals to 0. Then in the next step, x minus 30 into x plus 40 equals to 0. Next step is either or. So x minus 30 is equals to 0 and x plus 40 equals to 0. From here value of x is 30 and x equals to minus 40. Now speed cannot be negative. So x equals to minus 40 is rejected. Therefore x equals to 30. The original speed of the car is 30 km per hour. This is the first example. So before starting example related to problem based on quadratic equation, we will discuss first profit loss formulas that you have already done in junior classes. So profit formula is selling price minus cost price. Loss is cost price minus selling price. Loss percent is equals to loss upon cost price into 100 upon 100 log. Profit percent equals to profit upon cost price into 100 upon 100 log. Then selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into cost price. Then selling price in case of profit percent, formula is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into cost price, and cost price in case of loss percent, formula is 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into selling price, and cost price in case of profit percent, formula is 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into selling price. Now with the help of these formulas, we are going to discuss one example related to the cost. Second example is, by selling an article for rupees 24, a trader loses as much percent as the cost price of the article. Calculate the cost price. So let cost price of the article be rupees X. So according to this question, here CP and loss percent both are same. So in this question, if CP of the article is rupees X, it means loss is also X percent. Therefore, loss is equals to X percent of CP is equals to X upon 100 into CP is rupees X. After solving X into X, X square upon 100. Then according to the statement, CP minus loss is equals to SP. So CP is X minus loss is X square upon 100 equals to SP is 24 given. Now from here, after taking LCM from here, 100x minus x square equals to 2400. Then x square minus 100x plus 2400 equals to 0 after collecting all the terms. Now this is again in the form of quadratic equation. Now by using factorization method, sum value is minus 100, product is plus 2400 and factors are minus 60 and minus 40. After splitting the term, x square minus 60x minus 40x plus 2400 equals to 0. Then x into x minus 60 minus 40 into x minus 60 equals to 0. From here x minus 60 into x minus 40 in the other bracket equals to 0. Then after either or x minus 60 equals to 0 and x minus 40 equals to 0. From here x equals to 60 and x equals to 40. So after solving quadratic equation, two values are there. One is cost price, that is rupees 60, and second case is cost price is rupees 40. So according to the statement, loss percent and cost price both are same. So from here loss percent is also 60 and in this case loss percent is equals to 40. Now formula is to find selling price. 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. In both the cases formulas are same. So after filling value here 100 minus 60 upon 100 into 60. Then after solving 100 minus 60 is 40. So 40 upon 100 into 60. After cutting answer is rupees 24. So selling price is rupees 24 in the first case. Now in the second case after filling value of loss percent 100 minus 40 upon 100 into cost price is 40. So after subtracting from here 60 into 40 upon 100. So after cutting answer is rupees 24. So in both the cases selling price is same. It means cost price of the article is rupees 60 and rupees 40, both are acceptable. Next example is 5 years ago, a woman's age was the square of her son's age. 10 years hence, her age will be twice that of her son's age. Find the age of the son 5 years ago and the present age of the woman. Let the age of the son 5 years ago equals to x years. So therefore, the woman's age 5 years ago equals to x square years, because in the statement is written a woman's age was the square of her son's age. For example, if suppose your age is 20, so after 5 years ago your age will be 25. After adding 5 in 20, then you will get 25 answer. So similarly here if age is x, so after 5 year age is x plus 5. The present age of the woman is equals to x square plus 5 years according to the statement, and the present age of her son is equals to x plus 5 years. Now in the statement 10 years hence wording is there. It means here in the age of the son and woman 10 year we have to add. So x square plus 5 plus 10. Now woman's age is x square plus 15 and plus 10 in son age also. So x plus 5 plus 10 age is x plus 15 years. Now according to the given statement, 10 years hence woman's age is equals to twice her son's age. So therefore x square plus 15 equals to twice x plus 15. Then from here arrow method is there. Then x square plus 15 is equals to 2x plus 30. Then after collecting all the terms, x square minus 2x plus 15 minus 30 equals to 0. Then equation is x square minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. From here sum is equals to minus 2. Product is minus 15 and factors are minus 5 plus 3. Now after splitting the term, x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. Then x into x minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 5 equals to 0. After take out common, then x minus 5 in one bracket and left out x plus 3 in the other bracket equals to 0. Now next step is either or. So x minus 5 equals to 0 and x plus 3 equals to 0. From here x equals to 5 and x equals to minus 3. Now from here x equals to minus 3 is rejected because age cannot be negative. So therefore x equals to 5. The age of the sun 5 years ago is equals to x here. So value of x is 5. So age of the sun is 5 years. The present age of the woman equals to x square plus 5 years. After filling value of x equals to 5. So 5 square plus 5 years. Then 5 square is 25. So 25 plus 5 equals to 30 years. So present age of son is 5 years and woman age is 30 years. Before starting next example, first of all we are going to discuss how to let 2-digit number. So for example, suppose number is 23, 3 is on 1's place and 2 is on 10's place. So write in expanded form. So 2 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply 1. Then 2 into 10 is 20 plus 3 into 1 is 3 equals to 20 plus 3, 23. Similarly, if in 1's place x is there and 10's place y is there. So according to this, y multiply 10 plus x multiply 1 is equals to 10y plus x. So this is the 2-digit number. Now we will do example related to this topic. A 2-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 6. When 9 is added to this number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. So first of all, let x on 1's place and y on the 10's place. So 1's place is equal to x and 10's place equals to y. So original number is equals to 10y plus x. Now on reversing the digits, new number is equals to 10x plus y. Now according to the statement, 10y plus x plus 9 equals to 10x plus y and xy is equals to 6. Let this is the equation first. Now from here, after collect like terms, 10y minus y plus 9 equals to 10x minus x. Then 10y minus y is 9y plus 9 equals to 9x. From here 9 is common. So 9 into y plus 1 equals to 9x. So 9 is finished from here. Then y plus 1 equals to x. This is the second equation. Now put x equals to y plus 1 in equation first. So from here, after filling value of x, here y plus 1 into y equals to 6. After arrow method from here, y square plus y equals to 6. After collecting all the terms, y square plus y minus 6 equals to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Now from here, by using factorization method, some value is plus 1 and product is minus 6. So factors are plus 3 minus 2. Now after splitting the terms, y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. Then make a pair of 2, 2. Then y is common. So y into y plus 3. From here minus 2 is common. Y plus 3 equals to 0. Now same bracket will come one time. Y plus 3 and left out in other bracket. So y minus 2 equals to 0. Next step is either or. Y plus 3 equals to 0 and y minus 2 equals to 0. Then y equals to minus 3 and y equals to 2. Since minus 3 is not a digit, therefore y equals to 2. Now put y equals to 2 in equation 2. So equation 2 is y plus 1 equals to x. Then 2 plus 1 equals to x. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore x equals to 3. Therefore required two-digit number is equals to 10y plus x equals to 10 into 2 plus 3. 2 into 10 is 20 plus 3, answer is 23. Now students, you are able to do sums related to this topic that will come in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.